Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. I am your friend John. Today the topic of my video is blue eye parrot. Before starting my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Beautiful footage of a pair of blue eye parrots perched on a branch showcasing their vibrant blue eyes. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of blue eye. Parrot, also known as the surprise jewel of the sky. Blue eye parrot are truly amazing creatures with their vibrant blue feather and captivating us eye. This is one of the most stunning parrot species in the world. Before we begin, let's learn a bit about the blue eye parrot's background. They are native of rainforest of Central and South America. When it comes to the behavior, blue eye parrots are highly social and intelligent. They are very beautiful parrots in the world. I hope you will be enjoy this video. Before end my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye.